Shauna takes 5 tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points. Her scores on the first 3 tests are 76, 94, and 87. In order to average 81 for all 5 tests, what is the lowest score she could earn on one of the other 2 tests? A. 48, B. 52, C. 66, D. 70, E. 74. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. To average 81 over 5 tests, the total of all 5 scores must be 5 times 81, which is 405. Her first 3 scores add up to 76 plus 94 plus 87, which is 257. So the last 2 tests must add up to 405 minus 257, which is 148, to make one of the 2 remaining scores as low as possible. We make the other one as high as possible. The most she can score on a test is 100. So the lowest score is 148 minus 100, which is 48. So the lowest score she could earn on one of the other 2 tests is 48. The answer is 48.